Hello all, I'm Roy Stecker, Chairperson with the Greater Hernando County Chamber of Commerce Training Committee. Have you ever lost these? Misplaced them? We all have at one time or another. The Greater Hernando County Chamber of Commerce has found your keys, the third annual Keys to Success. Beginning Monday, March 20th, 2017 through Friday, March 24th, 2017, the Chamber is offering a series of seminars and forums to help you grow individually and to develop professionally. The Chamber has partnered with several companies and presenters that will offer insight into your best business practices. A sampling of what is offered includes Business to Business Expo, Lunch and Learns, Sales, Customer Service, Social Media Marketing, Branding, Human Resources, Cyber Defense, and Business Planning. Come join me and our business community in this dynamic offering. For additional information, please visit the Greater Hernando County Chamber of Commerce website or their Facebook site, or call 352-796-0697. That's 352-796-0697. And remember, it's a great day to do business in Hernando County. See you soon.